In today's video, I'm going to show you how to edit a generated voiceover in ElevenLabs the easy way, step by step, so you can update your script, change the voice, and fine-tune the delivery without starting over from scratch. This is especially useful if you've already generated a voiceover and then realize a line needs rewriting, the pacing feels too fast, or you want a different voice for a specific paragraph. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to make those edits quickly and regenerate the audio with confidence. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Now let's jump in. First, open ElevenLabs and either open an existing project or create a new one. If you already have a project saved, choose the one you want to work on. If you're starting fresh, you can import your script or simply paste in your text manually. This gives you a clean starting point and lets ElevenLabs break your content into editable sections. Once your project is open, you'll see the script divided into paragraphs. This is important because ElevenLabs lets you edit the voiceover one paragraph at a time, which gives you much more control over the final result. Now click on the paragraph you want to edit. As soon as you select it, you'll be able to change the text directly. If there's a sentence you want to rewrite, just highlight it and type the new version. This is perfect for fixing mistakes, shortening a section, or making the wording sound more natural for spoken audio. If you want, you can also switch to a different voice for that paragraph. That means you don't have to use the same voice throughout the entire project if a section would sound better with a different tone, accent, or style. For example, you might want one voice for narration and another for a quote or dialogue line. In addition to changing the text or voice, you can also adjust the voice settings. ElevenLabs gives you options like speed, stability, and style, and these can make a big difference in how the final audio sounds. If you want the voice to sound faster, you can increase the speed. If you want it to sound more controlled or consistent, adjust the stability. And if you want a more expressive or unique delivery, you can tweak the style setting as well. Take a moment to experiment with these settings, because small changes here can dramatically improve the quality of your voiceover. After you've made your edits, look for the Generate button. Click Generate to create new audio for the paragraph you just changed. ElevenLabs will process the updated text and voice settings, then produce a fresh audio version for that section. This is the key step that applies your edits and updates the voiceover. Now, if you didn't change the text or the voice, you may see a regenerate option instead. That simply means ElevenLabs is ready to create that same paragraph again using the current settings. So, if you want to refresh the audio without making changes, use Regenerate. If you did change the script, the voice, or the voice settings, use Generate to make sure the new version reflects those edits. Once the audio is created, listen back to make sure everything sounds right. Check the pacing, pronunciation, tone, and overall flow. If something still feels off, you can go back, make another adjustment, and generate it again. That's one of the best parts of ElevenLabs. You can keep refining the result until it sounds exactly how you want it. And that's how to edit a generated voiceover in ElevenLabs. You just open your project, select the paragraph, edit the text or voice settings, and generate the new audio. It's a simple workflow, but it gives you a lot of control over the final voiceover. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next walkthrough. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.